Yeah. What?
What is it, right?
Yeah.
Man, I don't know. I think it's the alternator or something.